Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Chrysanthemum tutorial. I have painted this on the saree border. Those interested in learning professional certificate courses can contact me. This is a Chrysanthemum saree border design, and you can see live videos which I have done for pallu and the front design of this saree. You can see those videos in my live videos. This is a designer saree and it is for sale. Those interested to buy this one can contact me. I have taken 8 number round brush and maroon color for the flowers and Prussian blue for the leaves. This is Persian blue for the leaves. This is 3D silver glitter which I have used for the center of the flower. And this is blue glitter which I am using on the leaves. Here you can see the final border design of this saree. These are my creative designs which I have done live videos and you can see in the tutorial videos also. There are many advanced and basic courses which you can join, and for more information on art, do click the link of my website in the description below or in about in my channel. These are basic courses starting from 1000 onwards. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorial, style, fashion. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.